potential of this place is just enormous. So this is the top floor of the factory. Office space here, another office over here. The owner of the factory is really kind of hanging on by a thread, you might say, right now. And we are hoping to bring a huge amount of business to them to help bring this whole factory back, to help the people in this community, in this town here. Various storerooms in here. You can see it's quite dirty, and we're being offered essentially the whole factory to refurbish and to re-equip. For cutting all the fabric and getting it all ready to be sewn up. Just potential, just sitting here waiting for us. There is room to expand as big as we want. Malo here talking to one of the production people here about the new sample masks we're making. As you can see, we're passionate about building Metamasks into a global brand that saves millions of lives and sets a new standard in air mask design. So please, join our clean air revolution. Contribute to our campaign so we can help the world breathe beautifully.